Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and new other video with me. Today we're drawing red textile with markers and we will learn how to draw with marker and how to draw three-dimensional textures. I drew some textures by pen. Now I want to color the surface by marker. I have a red marker. It's 187 number of basic brand. You can use another brands of marker, for example Uhuhu markers or touch markers or Q color and etc. As you see, I draw some vertical lines next to each other until the entire surface is painted. Look, all of parts must painted and no white space remain. I should do painting carefully because I shouldn't color the paper outside the main shape, and I should do that so tidy and clean. At the rest of the video you will see how I convert this two-dimensional surface to three-dimensional. Here are some techniques. Okay, I keep on drawing vertical lines and as you see all of the surface now is red. Now in the next step, I bold some lines for converting the surface to three-dimensional one. So in each one of these little squares parts that I drew by pen, I bold two sides of them. I should draw these lines narrow with the narrow parts of the marker. You can do this painting with me, so bring your paper and markers and start with me. It's so simple, and when you learn it you can use it for interior design, for instance as a textile of sofas and chairs or Chester beds and etc. Here I drop some points and I do that by white pen because the white is more visible. In general, when you use dark colors for painting a surface and every other paintings, the white pen for add more details is better, and when you use dark colors the black pen is suitable, I think. Here I drop these points where these lines intersect each other. After dropping points by white pen, I draw these lines diagonally, and I draw lines in one side of squares only. Here I can add these gray lines for showing the shadows of this surface on the ground, and you can use darker gray or black color or even light gray. And then I draw some shadows by white colored pencil, and these shadows show the light reflection on the texture. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and enjoy learning architectural drawing. See you tomorrow with a fantastic short video. Have a good time and goodbye.